Rehab Addict is a popular home renovation and restoration TV show that originally aired on the DIY network and later moved to the HGTV network. The show is hosted by Nicole Curtis, a passionate advocate for preserving and restoring historic homes. Many episodes of Rehab Addict were filmed in Minneapolis, where Nicole Curtis embarked on numerous home renovation projects. Minneapolis offers a diverse range of historic homes, from charming bungalows to stately Victorian mansions, making it an ideal location for the show's mission of restoring neglected properties to their former glory. The city's historic neighborhoods, such as the Longfellow and Powderhorn Park districts, have been featured prominently on the show. Another significant filming location for Rehab Addict is Detroit, Michigan. The city's rich architectural history and abundance of abandoned properties presented ample opportunities for Nicole Curtis to work her magic. Detroit's historic neighborhoods like Corktown and Woodbridge have been featured on the show, showcasing the challenges and rewards of restoring homes in an urban setting. In summary, Rehab Addict has been primarily filmed in two major cities, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and Detroit, Michigan. These locations have allowed Nicole Curtis to tackle a wide variety of home renovation projects while emphasizing the importance of preserving and revitalizing historic properties. The show's dedication to restoring homes in these cities has resonated with viewers, making Rehab Addict a beloved program in the world of home renovation and restoration.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.